space and elegance adorn this absolutely stunning contemporary home. This is a custom-built home in Boalsburg. Look at the views all around you. You can even see Tussey Mountain from your kitchen window. You have windows on all 3 levels. This 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home is located in Boalsburg.
Welcome to 194 Derrick Drive in Boalsburg.